Okay, all right, guys. This is another medium level question of SQL practice series. I think now questions are getting more interesting, right? In the previous, they're very basic, but now they're getting interesting. So, okay, go with it. What this says it show patient ID first name last name from patients whose diagnosis is dementia. I don't know what it means dementia. Let's search it. What means it, right? We have to make it fun, right? Dementia meaning a condition characterized by progressive or persistent loss of intellectual functioning, memory, abstract thinking. Okay, like type of mental problem, right? The loss of memory or abstract thinking. Leave it. Uh, Primary diagnosis is stored in the admission table. I don't think this is medium level questions because there is the need of one thing is just like joining. After joining, the problem is solved, right? So we have to do join. Basically, we have to do only joining. So what we can do is basic things like select patient ID first, comma first name. I don't think this is medium level question, but yeah, the daily says medium. They categorized it as a medium level. Last name from table patients P. We use it alias because after that we have to use some condition. So every time patients admissions, I don't want to write, because if you want you can write, I don't. That's why I use alias P. From patient P joins, we use just only use basic join admission A on. Why on? Because while doing joining we have to give some condition based on they can join, means we have to give the similarity between the two tables. On P dot patient ID, because we can see that in the two table patient ID is the common thing, right? So we have to do it, we have to give it P dot patient ID equals to A dot patient ID, means the patient ID in the admission table A and the patient ID of the P table P should match, and where the two rows getting matched or the two columns getting matched, they directly add them or connect them and make a new table, right? So here we got it, and we have to use another condition like where diagnosis equals to dementia. Such a wide name. It should work fine. Let's see. Ambiguous column name patient ID. PATIENT ID. PATIENT ID. PATIENT ID. Why TINT is PATIENT is why they call it ambiguous column name patient ID. PAT, yeah, here we should write something. Let's call it P dot patient, sorry, P not A dot patient, anything you can do, we don't care, right? It gives us the same query. See, we have to choose one table, right? Otherwise how they SQL got confused, like from which table they have to collect the patient IDs, right? One thing we can do is we can make another table by using the join keyword, and after that we can just simply select another patient ID, means we just use subquery method. Let's see they use subquery method or not. No, first solution, they use the same thing from patient's join admission on admission, same thing without using alias, but I use alias, right? Where diagnosis is demotive, same thing I have done. In the next solution, yeah, see, they use the subquery method, and they don't use any alias dot, right? They don't use admissions dot or other things, because first what they do is select patient ID from admissions, where they select the patient IDs where the diagnosis is dementia. They put it in another table, and another, not any permanent table, right? Temporary table. Then they select patient ID, first name last name from patients, which where patient ID matches in that patient ID, means they just scan it. It is slow. In the actual scenario it is slow because it doesn't create any index, it's just scanning them, right? One by one scanning them, it is slow, but it is a solution, right solution. And the third thing, we use, yeah, they sing the same thing. They in the previous they use patient ID to scan. Here they use the diagnosis name to scan, but the overall thing is same, right?